Today we are going to discuss the Pythagorean theorem. This is a right triangle.
The two shorter sides are called legs.
The longer side is called the hypotenuse. Around 500 BC, a Greek scholar named Pythagoras was fascinated by triangles. He studied them a bit closer and found that the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides of a triangle is exactly equal to the square of the longer side. And he proved that this doesn't work for other kinds of triangles, but for only right triangles. The Pythagorean theorem states that if a triangle is a right triangle, then a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. This is one proof of the Pythagorean theorem by the rearrangement of four identical right triangles. Another proof of the Pythagorean theorem is this animation showing another proof by rearrangement of the triangles. Let us solve for this. The legs of a right triangle measures 3 and 4 centimeters. What is its hypotenuse? Let's solve for this. We'll use the formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Let's substitute the given. It is equal to 4 centimeter squared plus 3 centimeter squared, which results to 16 square centimeters plus 9 square centimeters. C squared is equal to 25 squared centimeters. Put a square root on both sides of the equation, and the answer will be 5 centimeters. For exercises, let's try this. A boat sails due east from a harbor, H, to a marker buoy, B, 15 miles away. At B the boat turns due south and sails for 6.4 miles to a lighthouse, L. It then returns to harbor. What is the total distance traveled by the boat? Here's a diagram to understand the problem clearer. The boat is taking east to the marked buoy 15 miles from the harbor, then it went 6.4 miles south towards the lighthouse. The distance traveled by the boat is the arrow connecting the start and the end point of the cruise, which forms a right triangle. Hence, Pythagorean theorem is possible in this problem. D squared is equal to t squared plus l squared, which is equal to 15 miles squared plus 6.4 miles squared. Produces 225 square miles plus 40.96 square miles. D squared is equal to 265.96 square miles. To remove the exponent, put square root symbols on both sides, then the distance will be 16.31 miles. Let's try this one. A 12-foot ladder rests against the side of a house. The top of the ladder is 9.5 feet from the floor. How far is the base of the ladder from the house? This is the diagram showing a 12-foot ladder leaning on the house with a height of 9.5 feet. Pythagorean theorem is possible in this problem. With the use of the formula L squared is equal to D squared plus H squared. Let's transform it into D squared is equal to L squared minus H squared, which is equal to 12 feet squared plus 9.5 feet squared. It results 144 square feet minus 90.25 square feet. D squared is equal to 53.75 square feet. Put square root symbols on both sides of the equation. D is equal to 7.33 feet. Thank you for viewing. I hope you learned from this video lesson.